Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzum with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I'm here in Norwood, Young America, and it's a horse in the background in the middle of nowhere in farm country, and we are going to be getting like 89 berry bushes and small fruit trees in the ground by Friday, and also building 3 terraces that are 100 feet long. So we got some work to do over the next, basically we're gonna try to get it done in 2 days, because we're it's gonna get cold and start freezing this weekend, so we got to get it done. And this one kind of just fell into my lap, and they were motivated. They bought this house. Nobody lives in this house yet, but there's already a bunch of fruit trees on the property, and we're just highlighting the rest of the property. And then next spring we're going to come back and we're going to plant it out with annual garden. And this place it's huge. But I'm gonna flip you around and I'll kind of explain what we're gonna be doing here. So once again, there's Food Forest Abundance, my sign. But here we go, we're gonna start walking around. And this is a little house right here. And over here, this way you can see the trees, or we have them all set up. These are, what the hell are these gonna be? We got one row of that's going to be one row of elderberry, and then in between that is going to be the kiwi trellis. So 6 kiwis, and they will make an entire wall of kiwis. Here's a little apple orchard right here, and let's walk over here. This is all raspberry bushes. Hold on. And here we got, these are all going to be raspberries. I think 16 raspberry bushes. So this is going to be a wall of raspberries here. And let's see, everything we have going in the ground here. We got 12 blueberries going in, 12 blackberries, 7 elderberries, 5 hazelnut trees. Oh, there's another row, 2 rows of blueberries right there. I don't know if you can see those. Right there. And then here we go down this way. And these are American hazelnut, I believe is what they're called. These ones are viburnum, blue muffin verbinum or something like that. And there's going to be 6 of them. We're going to make a little wall of those. This whole area right here is the annual garden. And you can see it hasn't been touched in many years because this home has been vacant for a while. The owner just purchased the house in September. And over here, we are going to have a couple of 2 shagbark hickory trees and a black walnut. And then we're going to have 2 trellises for grapes. One is going to be 170 feet long and the other one's going to be 155 feet long. I think I'm just going to make them both 160 and call it even. But there'll be 30 grapevines growing on the trellis. You can see them all here on the ground here. And then we got those are shagbarks and the black walnut. And then we're walking back up this way. But yeah, this is a big property here. I think they have 15 acres here. And back up here, that's what I brought all these berry bushes in and all the equipment in this U-Haul. And now I'm going to go to Tractor Supply and get 32 cattle panels in the back of this truck to bring out in the morning, and then we're going to get this finished over the next 2 days. What do we got here? What are these? This one is oh, that's the American hazelnut, and this one's a hazelnut. Okay, all 5 of them are hazelnuts. I can't remember where I'm putting those, but that is what we're looking at. There's my sign up there. See how? And then next spring we're going to come back here and we're going to plant the rest of it out. I think there's 50 other varieties that we're going to be putting in the ground in the spring. But anyway, my day is done here, and we're going to be back at it bright and early tomorrow. We got a 60-degree day, and it's going to be the last day for any type of weather like that before it starts freezing. Let me flip you around. Now, you can start preparing for next spring. Give me a shout, Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or visit my website, foodforestabundancemn.com, and we can get your design of your property done over the winter, so we can get trees in the ground right when the ground thaws. But anyway, that's it for me today. I'll be making videos over the next couple days as we progress on this install, and I will talk to you soon. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. See ya.